Iran is boiling over once again. Citizens are up in arms against the Iranian regime, protesting soaring prices and economic hardships. It is one of the biggest protests the Shia country has seen in decades. Over 2,000 have been killed in Iran protests, and Tehran is blaming what they call terrorists for these deaths. The unrest escalated after US President Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on countries doing business with Tehran. Pentagon is set to present Trump with additional options to punish Iran, while diplomatic measures are also under consideration.
President Trump is very good at is always keeping all of his options on the table, and airstrikes would be one of the many options that are on the table for the commander-in-chief. Diplomacy is always the first option for the president.
What sparked speculation about an American strike was Trump's statement on Sunday.
Aren't supposed to be killed. These are violent. If you call them leaders, I don't know if they're leaders or just they rule through violence. But we're looking at it very seriously. The military is looking at it. And we're looking at some very strong options. We'll make a determination.
Meanwhile, supporters of Supreme Leader Khamenei have taken to the streets in Tehran, protesting against the US and Israel.
نوسان‌های قیمتی که اتفاق میفته الان همسر خود بنده آنلاین شاپ داره و الان آنلاین شاپش بسته شده و همه اینا تاثیرگذاره، ولی من با همه این وجود اومدم شرکت کردم دستگیر
با قاطعیت صحبت کنن در مورد مداخله هایی که میخوان صورت بگیره و قدم بعدی اینه که در راه اعتراض های به حقی که ما مردم داریم به اقتصاد و مسائل اقتصادی حتما جوابگو باشن، با مردم صحبت کنن و صادقانه بهشون پاسخ بدن.
Even Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian joined a pro-government rally marching alongside supporters through the capital. Tehran, however, says it is ready for talks with Washington on the basis of mutual respect, yet prepared for war.
سلام عرض میکنم خدمت همه تشریف آوردید. آنچه که گذشته در میدان یا در خیابان‌های شهرهای کشورهای خارجی مقیم تهران
بین آقای وزیر امور خارجه ما و نماینده ویژه رئیس جمهور آمریکا باز هست و هر وقت نیاز بشه از اون طریق پیام‌های لازم رد و بدل میشه، علاوه بر کانال رسمی که میدونید کانال دفتر حفاظت منافع آمریکا سفارت سوئیس در تهران هست.
Amid all this street and political drama, one question looms heavily. Will America strike Iran next? As protests rage and Iran curbs internet access, India today has tracked US military activity in the region using open source and flight tracking data. Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, home to over 10,000 US soldiers, shows a rise in operational activity consistent with reports of increasing tension. The base can accommodate large military aircraft, including B-52 bombers, and is a key hub for American operations in the Middle East. The United States maintains an extensive military footprint in the region with bases and naval assets across at least 19 locations. The strike by Israel and the US in Iran in June last year weakened Iran's economy and nuclear program, but a renewed escalation could have global consequences. While the world watches nervously, any misstep could ignite a wider conflict, impacting allies, oil markets, and global stability. With Bidisha Shaha from Ocient, Bureau Report, India Today.